Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the poem Piano. Piano, you already know what is called piano. Piano is a musical instrument. Here the poem Piano is written by D.H. Lawrence. He is an English poet uh, born in 1885 and died on 1930. And the main content of this poem is in the poem Piano, the author becomes nostalgic while a woman sings and plays the piano and he starts to remember his childhood. The piano's melodic sounds would transport him back into his childhood years. Nostalgia is the center of this poem, Piano. In this poem, the author Lawrence uses the piano to symbolize his childhood. Now let's see the first stanza of the poem. I will read the stanza first. Softly in the dusk, a woman is singing to me, taking me back down the vista of years, till I see a child sitting under the piano in the boom of the tangling strings and pressing the small, poised feet of a mother who smiles as she sings. Softly in the dusk, a woman is singing to me. Here, the dusk is a period of time between sunset and nightfall. That means in between the time of sunset and nightfall. We can say late evening. A woman is singing to me. Here, a woman is singing to the speaker and singing and playing the piano. And the music and singing take him back in memory to a point where he sees a child sitting under the piano and pressing the feet of his mother who is singing and smiling. We assume he is the child and that this is a childhood memory. So this stanza is about the author thinking about his childhood when he saw and heard the music and piano sound. And in second stanza, in spite of myself, the insidious mastery of song betrays me back till the heart of me weeps to belong to the old Sunday evenings at home, the winter outside, and hymns in the cozy parlor, the tingling piano, our guide. In spite of myself, the insidious mastery of song betrays me back till the heart of me weeps to belong to the old Sunday evenings at home with the winter outside and hymns in the cozy parlor, the tingling piano, our gate. That means the second stanza is telling about the music makes him feel strongly nostalgic. He wants to go back to the time when he spent Sunday evenings with with his family, and that time listening to them singing hymns in the parlor room with the piano's music guiding them. The hymns, that means that HYMNS is pronouncing as hymns. The meaning is a song sung by Christians to praise God. This is a God praising song by Christians is called hymns. So the author telling that the music makes him feel strongly nostalgic. He wants to go back to the time when he spent Sunday evenings in winter with his family and listening to them singing hymns in the parlor room with the piano's music guiding them. And the third stanza, so now it is vain for the singer to burst into clamor with the great black piano appassionato, the glamour of childish days is upon me. My manhood is cast down in the flood of remembrance. I weep like a child for the past. Actually, in this third stanza, he telling that this music now irritating him. Why? Because he does not like to listen to the music now. He wants to become lost in his happy memory. He likes to forget the present completely now. Therefore, he feels that the woman's song is a shout now. So he feels the woman's song is now like a shout. Her music is no longer sweet now. It is useless for her to play the piano with the deep feelings. He is very happy with his childhood memories. Now he does not like to become a man. He throws his manhood and begins to cry like a child. So it is a nostalgic poem written by this Lawrence. So in this third stanza telling that he don't want to be a grown-up man, he want to go back to his childhood memories. So that's all about this poem, Piano.